What it do, YouTube? It's Cash with a K with Keep It Clean Auto Detailing here in Houston, Texas, and I'm back for another video. Today's video is going to be on engine bay cleaning without a water hose, without a pressure washer. So a lot of people scared to do an engine bay cleaning with a water hose, with water period. So I'm going to show you how you can get it done without the water hose and pressure washer. Let's go. All right, so to perform this job, you don't need a lot of materials. I'm only using a degreaser, which is super clean, 10-to-1, and then I have a water bottle with just water. Here are my towels. These are towels that I usually use for like my tires and stuff like that. So using these towels to clean up. Then I have a small brush from Work Stuff Detail that I'm going to use for the small areas, and then I have this Chemical Guys tire brush that I'm going to use for the big parts. So you don't need a lot of materials to get this done. This is all I'm using for today. All right, so this is how the engine bay looks at first. Now you always want to get the debris that's sitting up here in the vents out first. So make sure you clean this area first of all the debris. So for y'all that are fearful of getting anything into your battery, I'm gonna make sure I take a microfiber that has already been used and just go ahead and cover that up so that I don't get any liquids or anything in it. Alright, so now it's time for the dressing. Today I'm using Chemical Guys Tire Shine as a dressing on an applicator pad. Let me just work this in because I don't want a lot. To kind of be even. Alright y'all, so that's the end of today's video on engine bay cleaning. Hopefully you were able to pick up on some tips that you don't do in your own detailing business, or if there's another process that you use to do engine bay cleaning, leave that down in the comments below. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to see in the future. Cash will Keep It Clean Auto Detailing here in Houston, y'all. Next time.